Hi, this is Miss Selleck. Today I'm going to talk to you about checking to see if the book you requested is ready to pick up in the library. So first thing you're going to want to do is log into Destiny Discover. Remember, the way to do that is to start at the Aldine ISD webpage, aldineisd.org. You're going to look under Student Parent, and then under Student Resources, you're going to click My Library. Once you've done that, select Choose My Library and Plummer Middle School. So now you're in Destiny Discover, and the first thing you're going to want to do is log in. So click in the upper right-hand corner, click on Log In, and you're going to want to log in with your school Google account. Okay, right away I see a red 2 appear, so that's a good sign. That means 2 books that I requested are ready to pick up. If I want to see what's going on with all the books I requested, I can click on the 3 lines, horizontal lines in the upper left-hand corner, and then come down to where you see holds. Once you've done that, you can see that 2 books are ready to pick up. I know they're ready to pick up because in red they say hold ready. These 3 books here, I've requested them, but they're not ready to check out yet. So I have to wait a little longer on these, but these 2 right here are ready to pick up. Also pay attention to the date. You want to make sure that you pick up the books before the expiration date expires. So this book will expire on November 2nd, so I want to make sure that I come to the library and check out the book before that expiration date. So I have 5 holds in total, and 2 of them are ready to pick up. Once I see I have books that are ready to pick up, I'm going to ask my language arts teacher if I can have an electronic pass to come to the library. You're going to come to the library, you're going to go to the hold shelf. We have a shelf dedicated for holds. You're going to go to the hold shelf, you're going to locate the book you requested, and each book will have a slip of paper in it. Make sure that the books that you're taking have your name on the slip of paper. You're going to bring me your books, and then I will check them out to you. Okay, so I hope to see everyone soon. Make sure that after you've requested a book that you go in and check to see if the book has been pulled and it's ready to check out. Hope to see you guys soon. Bye-bye.